Welcome back, HARBROs. A little bit different of a video today. What I want to do is go over my parking lot sale, and we're gonna go over it mini haul. If you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing. This is more of an experiment. Let me know if you appreciate or you enjoy these kinds of videos. But I want to go over what I got at the parking lot sale. Hopefully, we'll know if it's extended soon to the weekend. Parking lot sales have been extended to the weekend every single time over the last 2 years, except for once where we got a little bit of pie on our face. But anyways, parking lot sale, we want it to extend, and I'll let you know as soon as it happens. But let's just go over the things that I picked up at the parking lot sale, just so you know that I have some skin in the game. And one thing, well, we'll start off quick. First thing I got was the Hardy disposable gloves. This is 5mm in medium. Now, I went shopping with my kid, and we got these Hardy disposable gloves. These are gonna be for him. They love using gloves, and I don't want him to use the gloves that I'm using, so I got him his own pair of gloves, and technically my daughter. So they'll be able to play with these. These were, what, they were 50% off roughly? So excellent deal. I think these were 56% off. In total of everything that I'm gonna go over, I spent about 170 bucks. But there was some great deals. Anyways, Hardy gloves, 50% off, great. Item number one, I ran out of gloves, and what parking lot sales are great for, just in general, is picking up gloves. And I was out of gloves, so I picked up some gloves for myself, some of the Hardy disposable 9mm gloves. Now, from my understanding, 9mm thickness, I used to think that was 9mm, which is wrong. It's actually 9 out of 1,000 is why they call it 9mm. 9/1000ths of an inch is the thickness. So it's a 9mm thickness, 9/1000ths of an inch. So it does mean it's thicker, but yeah, these are mine, extra large, 50 gloves. These will last a while. These were also 50% off. So hopefully if the parking lot sale gets extended, these were $8.49. I'm excited. So gloves, easy choice to make during the parking lot sale. I feel like a lot of the HARBROs are picking up gloves. Because why not? Get them at 50% off. $8.49 for some excellent gloves. I've gone to Ace Hardware to pick up gloves, and they're crazy. Blue shop towels. Blue shop towels. I mean, pretty straightforward. I think the case of these were on sale. If not, they're on sale now. But these were also some ridiculous amount off. I think they were on dollar. They're on dollar days now. Or when I went, they were on dollar days. But they were steep discount. You always need some blue shop towels just to be able to clean stuff off. So these are a must. There we go. Blue shop towels. Spring clamp set from Pittsburgh. Lifetime warranty somehow. How do they do that? I don't know. If one of these breaks, will they honor them all? I'm not sure if that's true or not. Fiberglass reinforced nylon body swivel pads. Non-conductive, 1 3/8 inch. There's 4 1 3/8 inch. That's interesting. And 18 1-inch. So I didn't know that. Nice breakdown of the clamp. So I'm excited for these. I'm gonna use those to keep crisp, some chips, nice and not getting stale. I like my crisps, my chips crisp. And then this was an obvious choice. The Gordon utility knife. Probably should have picked up a few, but also on sale. Big discount. Should have kept my receipt. I'm sure it's around here somewhere. Quick and easy one-handed operation. Folds closed for safety, locks open. Quick blade interchange mechanism. Quick blade change mechanism, folding back. Gordon. To replace blade open knife, press blade button. These are nice. The Doyles are on sale, I believe, right now for the super coupons. I believe 20% off, but this Gordon one is super nice, really nice. Wanted to pick it up, give it a shot. Next, I've been meaning to pick this up for a while. It's the Quinn 12-piece precision screwdriver set. This is the one compared to Wera. Lifetime warranty and compact carrying pouch included. We're looking at the pouch. Whoops. Looking at the pouch on the back. Slotted Phillips Hex Star fast spinning zone. I've been meaning to get this for a while. I love Wera, which means I love Quinn when they're making a Wera-like product. So can't be mad with that. So we finally picked this up. This was sub $10. So excellent. We have our screwdrivers. Put this up here. Next, this was a little bit pricey, but I think compared to the iFixit kit, it's a steal of a deal. I saw some of the HARBROs mention it in the comments. Quinn Professional Electronics Repair Kit. I love that it's compared to iFixit. I have an old iFixit kit that's about 10 years old, and I'm in need of repairing my phone, which is kind of disgusting. But I don't know if you can see it. I have a crack on the bottom left side of the screen. I don't know if you can see it here in the bottom right hand corner. I have a cracked glass. Watch my favorite YouTubers on here. But I want to use this kit to replace the screen on this phone. So that's the goal and that's one of the goals behind this. The rest is just to have it around. Magnetized soft roll case for organized compact. Probably could do an unboxing, but for now, here we have it. And then that would have been my normal parking lot sale haul. That should have been it. That would have been it. But I've been rolling around the idea in my head about doing, maybe adding some other types of videos. Kind of want to do a HARBRO garage, which I've mentioned. Some of the other products that I've gotten that I use on an old project car that I want to start doing videos on. And then also working on my garden. And so I got into this is the first time I'm getting into the Bauer kit. So I got the Bauer starter kit for 99 bucks, 5 amp hour and charger. And this is not going to fit on the table, but we'll put it up here anyways. We got the Bauer 20 volt, 20 inch heavy duty hedge trimmer, cordless. So I don't know if you got a good look at it there, but that was my parking lot sale haul. This was 100 bucks. So not including the Bauer starter kit. That means everything was roughly about $70. Crazy discounts on the Quinn, 35% off. Free tool with this, 50% off the gloves, 50% off the clips essentially. I think it was 50% off the towels. This was about $40, but at 35% off, it was sub 30 bucks. So this was probably the more expensive item after the Bauer kit. But anyways, that is our haul. Probably most excited about the clips. And we're gonna start using these. Anyways, let me know if you find this useful. That was my haul. I appreciate the HARBROs who shared their haul. And let me know what you think about this video style. I'm trying to record more outside the HARBRO home. But anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get to 30,000 subscribers. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.